Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ryan from RPG Equipment. Heavy equipment is a major investment, and proper maintenance is the key to protecting that investment. Machines that are well cared for last longer, perform better, and experience fewer breakdowns, saving both time and money. In this video, we'll cover essential maintenance tips, preventative care routines, and smart strategies to reduce downtime and repair costs. 1. Follow a preventative maintenance schedule. Preventative maintenance is the foundation of equipment longevity. Create a routine maintenance schedule based on operating hours, manufacturer recommendations, and working conditions. This includes regular oil changes, filter replacements, fluid checks, and system inspections. Staying consistent with preventative maintenance helps identify small issues before they turn into major repairs. 2. Perform daily and weekly inspections. Short, regular inspections can prevent long-term damage. Before starting work, operators should check fluid levels, including oil, coolant, and hydraulic fluid, hoses and fittings for leaks or cracks, belts, wiring, and visible wear points, tires or tracks for damage and proper tension. Weekly inspections should be more detailed, focusing on wear components and machine performance. 3. Keep equipment clean. Clean equipment is easier to inspect and maintain. Dirt, debris, and buildup can hide leaks, accelerate wear, and cause overheating. Regular cleaning, especially around radiators, cooling systems, and moving parts, helps machines operate efficiently and reduces the risk of failure. 4. Monitor fluids and filters. Fluids are the lifeblood of heavy equipment. Using the correct fluids and replacing filters on schedule protects engines, hydraulics, and transmissions from contamination and premature wear. Pay close attention to fluid color, odor, and consistency, as changes can indicate underlying problems. 5. Practice seasonal maintenance. Seasonal changes can place extra stress on equipment. Before cold weather, inspect batteries, coolant systems, heaters, and fuel lines. In hot seasons, focus on cooling systems, airflow, and lubrication. Adjust maintenance routines based on temperature, humidity, and operating conditions to keep machines running smoothly year-round. 6. Train operators to use equipment properly. How a machine is operated has a direct impact on its lifespan. Proper operator training reduces misuse, excessive wear, and accidental damage. Encouraging smooth operation, correct startup and shutdown procedures, and early reporting of issues can significantly extend machine life. 7. Track maintenance and repairs. Keeping accurate maintenance records helps identify patterns and recurring issues. Tracking service intervals, repairs, and part replacements allows you to plan maintenance more effectively and avoid unexpected breakdowns. This documentation also adds value if the equipment is ever sold. 8. Use quality parts and professional service. Using quality replacement parts and experienced technicians can reduce long-term costs. While cheaper parts may seem appealing, they often wear out faster and lead to additional repairs. Investing in reliable parts and professional service helps protect the machine and maintain performance. Extending the life of heavy equipment comes down to consistency, attention to detail, and proactive care. By following preventative maintenance routines, preparing for seasonal changes, and addressing issues early, you can reduce repair costs, minimize downtime, and get the most value from your machines. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your own maintenance tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.